is a newly refurbished 1-bedroom villa at the Grand Floridian Villas. And this is in the original Villas building. This is the only place that you can stay in the 1 and 2 bedrooms. And this is the entryway. And you see we have this nice wood floor in the entryway and the kitchen and in the living room. And as you come in on the right, we have a little bar area. And we have this really nice banquet seating, newly reupholstered. Now, every room in this building got what's called a soft goods refurb, which means that they basically reupholster the furniture, change the carpeting, paint, new curtains. And I just really like the new decor in these rooms. I just think it's really beautiful. It's really classy. So we have plenty of seating. And then here is your kitchen. We have a dishwasher, sink, coffee pot, toaster, a full range and oven, a microwave, and here is your built-in refrigerator. Very fancy. Nice. Wish I had a fridge like this at home. And it's got, oh, a little drawer for ice. That's cute. And then the freezer, so you can really load it up. Okay, and now here is the living room, which also has 2 beds in it. This folds down into a bed, just like in the studios. And then this folds down into a single bed. And here we have a TV in here. And this is a balcony, and I'll show you the view in a minute, but this has new curtains. And I love this rug. Oh, this rug is just gorgeous. And then this adorable little silhouettes of Mickey and Minnie. You can get your own silhouette in Magic Kingdom on Main Street. That's a great souvenir. These are actually storage under here. There's a lot of storage in this room. There's some more drawers here. And this is the master bedroom. And it has a ceiling fan. There's also a ceiling fan in the living room too. Look at this tray ceiling. All these details. This is such a gorgeous hotel. 2 bedside lamps, king bed, TV. This is all storage. Nice desk and chair. Beautiful artwork. So over here in the closet, you get 2 robes. Well, you don't get to keep them. I mean, you have to leave them. And here's your safe. Nice big walk-in closet, extra pillows and blankets, hangers. Now for the bathroom. I love this bathroom. You have this, what is it called? Like a bubbler tub. It's not a jacuzzi. But it bubbles in the bottom. I've never used one of these tubs, so I'll have to try it out and see what I think. Nice big mirror over here. Your vanity. Another nice big mirror. No TVs in the mirrors anymore. Got some toiletries. And over here, in the separate part of the bathroom, we have another vanity with another big mirror. Plenty of storage under here. These are all drawers and cabinets, all work. Behind the door, you have a full-length mirror, more towels, the toilet, some artwork, and this giant shower. This shower is huge. Let's take a walk inside. You have a rainfall shower head on the ceiling, and then a removable shower head over here. This is a very large shower. Toiletries on the wall. And finally, we've come full circle, but over here in these cabinets, you have a full washer and dryer, which is a real benefit of staying in a 1 or a 2 bedroom DVC room, and they even give you detergent. And then here is the closet. Another closet, coat closet with a laundry basket, an iron, ironing board, broom and dustpan. more room for storage. And here is your breaker box. Don't touch it. Okay, so I'm going to pull down the beds in the living room so you can see what that looks like. And I'm going to open the cabinets in the kitchen and give you a tour of what you get in a 1-bedroom. And then I'm going to show you the view from this lake view room. So here are the beds pulled out, and here is your single bed with the lyrics to Stay Awake from Mary Poppins on it. And then here is your double pull-down bed, just like in the studios. And this one has the same picture as the one in the studio that we stayed in. You can check out the video of the Refurbished studio tour. There is another picture that some of the beds have for their background, but I haven't stayed in one with that picture. And your pillows and blankets for these beds are in the closet in the master bedroom. And now for the kitchen, to show you what you get included in a 1-bedroom. All the cabinets open, it looks like my house sometimes. So here's your silverware, the drawer. Good amount of silverware. It's gonna be a while till you have to do dishes. And a trash can under here. We have coffee mugs, Rubbermaid containers, mixing bowl, colander, various size glasses, glass baking dishes, serving bowls, plates, regular bowls and plates. We have a little coffee station with some coffee and tea, creamer, sugar, coffee pot. Got cooking utensils, pot holder, and towel. We actually have some pots and pans down here. And a little plastic pitcher under this one. Under the sink, paper towels, dish rack, cleaning supplies, fire extinguisher, garbage disposal. That's good to have. I love this sink. It's just so pretty. And more cleaning supplies, wine glasses, dishwasher. The dishwasher is a little askew. They didn't replace their appliances in the refurb. It's just a soft goods refurb. On your little bar section, you have some bar tools, an ice bucket, and then a recycling bin under here, and then the rest is just storage. These other cabinets are empty. Well, let's take a look at our lake view. This is room 1108, and it is on the ground floor. But look at this view and this beautiful balcony. I think that this is a great room location if you prefer to stay on the ground floor. Oh, look how big this balcony is. Because it's really a double balcony, you can also get to it from the living room. It has its own door. And you've got 2 chairs over here. And here's that beautiful view of the Polynesian bungalows. Magic Kingdom boat, ferry boat. The Contemporary over there. Really beautiful. This is a gorgeous room. So that does it for my tour of a newly refurbished 1-bedroom at the Grand Floridian Villas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!